Welcome, Brandon here with Big Bike Parts and Showchrome Accessories. We're going to be doing a brief install video on our Bluetooth and non-Bluetooth amplified stereo sound system. This sound system is completely waterproof, plug and play, and comes in either Bluetooth or non-Bluetooth setup. You can also get chrome speakers or the black speakers, which are already installed on our handlebars. We're now going to go into the installation. The first steps are removing the body panels. With both rubber strips wrapped around the handlebar and the speaker in place, we're going to utilize the Phillips screw, the spacer, as well as the nut on the back of the clamp. Again, aligning your rubber around the handlebar, next to the clamp, and then aligning the center bolt hole along with the guides and rotate downwards. Go ahead and install the screw. Because of the constricted area, you're going to have to tighten this up on the bar and then rotate into place once it is in a tightened position. We're now at the step where we're going to have to mount the amplifier to the throttle body intake. We have already routed the wires of the left speaker, right speaker, as well as volume control to the right-hand side of the motorcycle. We have also routed the positive and negative battery cables to the front of the bike and have not yet hooked them up. Our next step is going to be cleaning the throttle body intake as well as the amplifier to install the hook and loop fastener. Connecting the speaker wires and the volume control wires is fairly simple. Going back to the left-hand speaker, which we marked with our knot before running the wires, will get connected into the white wires. Your striped wires, black with white stripe, will go to your white with black stripe, and your solid white and your solid black connectors go together. You will feel them clip into place. Going into the gray wires, your solid black will go to your solid gray, and your striped black and your striped gray will again go together. Your volume connector you can see in the end will have to be aligned up. Our connections are now finished. If you would like additional security to keep your amplifier into place, we would recommend utilizing a small zip tie attached to the upper right-hand corner to the wire loom that is connected in there. We've made the decision to utilize the Showchrome Accessories fuse block, which allows you to isolate your accessories from the bike's wiring system, being the fact that the bike has a CAN bus system. This accessory fuse block allows you to have 3 keyed power sources, as well as 2 constant hot power sources. We will choose to use one of the keyed power sources for this install. The final steps of installing the sound system is number 1, to ensure you have plenty of slack in your wires while moving the tires left or right, as well as routing the wires around any hot or moving components of the motorcycle. We would like to thank you for watching our install video of our waterproof amplified stereo sound system. Again, this stereo sound system is a great opportunity for you to listen to music while traveling down the road in your Ryker. If you have any further questions, please feel free to look us up online at www.bigbikeparts.com. While you're there, please check out the dealer locator section. You can also give us a phone call at 888-BIG-BIKE. And be sure to like us on Facebook as well as Instagram to stay up on all the new items. Again, thank you for watching and safe riding.